Memwakwaba emu ohye eba wo ne Opoku nsua twi dwumadie so. I warmly welcome you to the program Learn Twi with Opoku. What to say? How are you? I know you are very well. Meaning say ohoye. Menso me hoye. I am also fine. And yeah, my koi. All right, let's go. Well, this is a continuation of the previous lesson. And so I would suggest that before you watch this one, you watch the previous lesson. I'll put the link in the description so you check it out and then come back to this lesson. Good. In the previous lesson, we constructed a bit of what? Complex sentence like bring the orange that is ripe home. And in Twi, we will translate that as what? Fa anka no a abre no brefie. Fa anka no a abre no brefie. The no a is what? That. So fa anka no a bring the orange that. The no is what? The fabra that you see in the statement, we have fa and bra. It means what? Bring. Anka orange. No de. So bring the orange. And then the is what? That. So bring the orange that is ripe home. Ripe is what? Abre. Ripe home. Bring the orange that is ripe home. Fanka noa abre no brefi. Good. In all those sentences that we learned in the previous lesson, what we did was to bring something to what? A place. We're asked to bring something to a place, but not to a person. So instead of asking you to bring the orange to the home, I'll then ask you to bring it to what? A particular man. So I will say, bring the orange that is ripe to the man. Okay. Bring is what? Fabra. However, it will be separated. So we say fa. Anka, that is orange. No de. The orange. Fa anka no. That is that. Fanka noa. Abre no. The right. Bre. Bre. I will not say bra. Bre. Urano. Fanka noa abre no bre urano. Fanka noa abre no bre urano. Bring the orange that is ripe to the man. Take note. If you say fabrano, it means something else. If you say fabrano, it means use it to sanction him. Fabrano. Use it to sanction him. Brano. Sanction him. So if you are going to say bring something to a person, bring it to him, and until you say fabrano, you mean use it to sanction him. So in Twi we have a proverb that says ya brao ya aneso osensumeko akwaye gunchen. What does that mean? Literally, we are saying you have been sanctioned not to use the latrine, but you say you will do it beside it. When do you use this proverb? You use this proverb when a person has been warned on a particular thing, and in similar incidents, he is not able to what? Discern, to know that, okay, this is also similar, so I don't have to do it. For instance, you find your child on a particular platform, social media platform, let's say platform A, and you said such platforms are not good for you as a child at this age. and then he deletes his account and then stops using it. At another time, you see him on another platform, another social media platform. Then you ask him, why are you on this platform B? And then he said, I was on platform A, you said that was not good, so I'm on B. Instead of realizing that all of them are the same, and for that matter, if A is not good for him, B is also not good for him, he gets involved in another media platform. You see? And so in that situation, you can say, ya brawo ya neso, and so say, Bayano one chain. You have been warned not to use the latrine, but you decide to do it beside it. So if you say fabrano, it means something else. So, fabreno. Fabreno. So I will say fankanoa abreno bre urano. Fankanoa abreno bre urano. Bring the orange that is ripe to the man. Good. Probably you may say, which man? What man are you talking about? Then I can say, the man who helped us. So I'm going to introduce who here. Good. So if I want to say, bring the orange that is ripe to the man who helped us, then in Twi I will say, fankanoa abreno bre owura noa. You see that I am saying noa. Owura noa. Oboa yeno. Fankanoa abreno bre owura noa oboa yeno. Good. If you have taken note, in all, I pronounce the R as if it is together with the word that precedes it. Have you taken note of that? So I said fankanoa. I did not say fankano R. If you are reading, as soon as you say fankano R, abreno, as soon as you read like that, then those who are listening, they get to know either you are not a native speaker or you did not learn Twi up to a higher level at school. So take note of that. Fankanoa abreno bre owura noa oboa yeno. You see, I did not say owura no oboa yeno daddy. Owura noa oboa yeno. However, when you are writing, we separate it from the word that precedes it. But when we are reading, we read as if it is together with the word that precedes it. I hope that is quite clear. Right. As I said in the introduction, we can also use are to introduce whose. So this time around, instead of saying the man who helped us, then I will say the man whose wife has given birth. The man whose wife has given birth. So can you try that one? Bring the orange that is ripe to the man whose wife has given birth. Bring the orange that is ripe to the man whose wife has given birth. Then I will say, fankanoa. Fankanoa abreno bre owura noa ne yere awono. Fankanoa, bring the orange that. Fankanoa abreno bre owura noa whose owura noa ne yere awono. Neyere, his wife. Awo has given birth. No, that is the wife. The wife. no. Fa nkaa no a abre no, bre owura no a ne yere awo no. Good. Now your assignment. And the assignment is, bring the mango that you brought from farm to the man who is hungry. Bring the mango that you brought from farm to the man who is hungry. That is your assignment. Let me know your answer in the comment box. If you remember, initially I told you, by the time you be aware, you'll be constructing complex sentences in Twi. And I think we are getting there. So keep watching this program and keep learning Twi with Opoku. Kindly subscribe, share, like, and pass out your comments. And your comments, as I've told you already, they help me a lot to shape the lessons. Thanks for watching.